Hey there, Wealth Wisdom 101 family. Today, we're diving into the world of AI and exploring how you can create AI animated story videos using AI and ChatGPT. Not only is this an exciting and innovative way to create content, but it can also help you earn up to $1,000 per month. So let's get started. Part 1. Understanding AI and ChatGPT. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines and software capable of performing tasks that would typically require human intelligence. This includes problem-solving, learning, understanding natural language, and recognizing patterns. ChatGPT, which stands for Chatbot Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. ChatGPT is built on the GPT-3 architecture, which is known for its impressive language understanding and generation capabilities. The power of ChatGPT lies in its ability to understand context and generate coherent, relevant, and creative responses. This makes it an excellent tool for creating engaging content, such as scripts for animated story videos. By leveraging AI and ChatGPT, content creators can save time and effort in the creative process, as the AI can generate story ideas, dialogues, and even entire scripts. This allows creators to focus on other aspects of their projects, such as animation and marketing, ultimately leading to more efficient content production. Part 2. Setting up the AI tools. First, research and choose an AI platform that offers access to ChatGPT. OpenAI is a popular choice, as it provides access to the powerful GPT-3 model. Sign up for an account on the platform's website and familiarize yourself with their pricing and usage guidelines. Once you have an account, you'll need to obtain an API key. This key will allow you to integrate ChatGPT into your project. Follow the platform's documentation to generate your API key and keep it secure, as it's essential for accessing the AI services. With your API key in hand, it's time to set up your development environment. Choose a programming language and development environment that you're comfortable with, such as Python and a code editor like Visual Studio Code. Install any necessary libraries or packages required to interact with the AI platform's API. For example, if you're using OpenAI in Python, you'll need to install the OpenAI package using a package manager like pip. Create a new project in your development environment and start writing code to interact with the ChatGPT API. Follow the platform's documentation and examples to learn how to send requests to the API and process the responses. Test your code to ensure that it's working correctly and that you can successfully generate text using ChatGPT. Make any necessary adjustments to your code based on the results of your tests. Part 3. Creating the story script with ChatGPT. Start by brainstorming a topic or theme for your animated story video. Consider your target audience and the type of content that resonates with them. You can also analyze your channel's past performance to identify popular topics among your viewers. Once you have a topic in mind, create a prompt for ChatGPT. This prompt should be a brief description or question that encapsulates the essence of your story idea. For example, if your topic is about a time-traveling adventure, your prompt could be, write a script for an animated story about a group of friends who accidentally discover a time machine and embark on a thrilling adventure. Send the prompt to ChatGPT using the API integration you set up in Part 2. Adjust the parameters like creativity, response length, and temperature to control the output. Higher creativity values will result in more imaginative responses, while lower values will produce more focused and coherent text. Review the generated story script and make any necessary edits or revisions. ChatGPT may produce multiple variations of the story, so you can choose the one that best fits your vision or combine elements from different outputs. If your story requires dialogue, you can use ChatGPT to generate conversations between characters. Provide context and character information in your prompt to help the AI understand the dynamics and personalities involved. Iterate and refine the script as needed. You may need to go through several rounds of generation and editing to achieve the desired result. Remember to maintain a balance between AI-generated content and your creative input to ensure the final script aligns with your vision and appeals to your audience. Part 4. Animating the story. Choose an animation software or platform that suits your needs and skill level. There are various options available, such as Adobe Animate, Toon Boom Harmony, or Blender for 2D and 3D animations. Some platforms also offer pre-built characters and assets, like Vyond or Movely, which can save time for beginners. Familiarize yourself with the chosen animation software by exploring its features, tools, and interface. Watch tutorials and practice using the software to gain confidence in your animation skills. Break down your AI-generated script into scenes and shots. Create a storyboard to visualize the flow of your story and plan the animation sequences. This will help you organize your work and ensure a smooth transition between scenes. Design and create the characters, backgrounds, and props needed for your animated story. You can draw them yourself, use pre-built assets, or collaborate with a designer. Make sure the visual elements align with your story's theme and appeal to your target audience. Animate the scenes by setting up keyframes, adding motion, and adjusting the timing. Pay attention to the pacing of your story and ensure that the animation flows smoothly. Add any necessary special effects or transitions to enhance the visual storytelling. Record or source voiceovers for your characters, if needed. You can either record your own voice, hire voice actors, or use text-to-speech software. Make sure the voiceovers match the characters' personalities and emotions portrayed in the script. Edit your animated story by combining the animated scenes, voiceovers, and any background music or sound effects. Use video editing software to fine-tune the timing, transitions, and overall flow of your story. Review your animated story and make any necessary revisions. Gather feedback from others to ensure your story is engaging and entertaining for your audience. Part 5. Monetizing your AI animated story videos. Enable YouTube monetization. To start earning revenue from your AI animated story videos, you'll need to enable monetization on your YouTube channel. Meet the YouTube Partner Program requirements, which include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Ad revenue. Once you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn money through ads displayed on your videos. Enable different ad formats, such as display ads, overlay ads, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads to maximize your revenue potential. Channel memberships. Offer channel memberships to your subscribers, allowing them to support your channel financially in exchange for exclusive perks, such as badges, emojis, and members-only content. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Enable Super Chat and Super Stickers during your live streams, allowing viewers to pay for their messages or stickers to be highlighted and pinned in the chat. Sponsored content. Partner with brands and create sponsored content for your AI animated story videos. Ensure that the sponsored content aligns with your channel's theme and audience interests. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your AI animated story videos and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Sell merchandise. Design and sell your own merchandise, such as t-shirts, hoodies, or accessories, featuring your channel's branding or characters from your animated stories. Crowdfunding and Patreon. Set up a crowdfunding campaign or create a Patreon page to receive financial support from your fans in exchange for exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, or other rewards. And that's it, folks! By harnessing the power of AI and ChatGPT, you can create captivating AI animated story videos and potentially earn up to $1,000 per month. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of AI and unlock your creative potential today. Watch these other videos on the screen for more amazing content on personal finance, investing, and money management. See you in the next video!